This is my drawing of Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, draw a small circle for the pupil, and you want to fill those in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw the nose. We're going to start with the left side edge. So we're going to start with a curve coming down and over. I'm just going to bend this down and in toward the center. And then over on the right, draw a short line for the nostril. Let's go up above the eyes and draw on the eyebrow. On the left side, angle this up and then out with a straight line, and then line it up on the right. Now let's go all the way down underneath the eyes and draw a curve for the mouth. Starting underneath the left eye, bend this down, across, and then up. Let's round out the corners of the mouth, coming down and in. And on the left side, draw another curve, coming down a little bit lower in the middle, and then back up. Let's separate the top and bottom row of teeth. On the left side, we're going to bend this down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's continue that curve going across and then up. Let's draw the side of the bottom row of teeth just underneath. And we'll fill the outside corners of the mouth in black. Let's go underneath the mouth and add a short curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to add a scar underneath the right eye. So we're going to start down here, bend this down and then in, and then add two lines going across. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw on the outside edge of the head. So starting on the left side, we're going to angle this down and then in towards the jaw, and then line it up on the right, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the jaw, curve this down and then in towards the chin. Round out the chin, go across, and then round out the right jaw. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to brush the hair down across the forehead. Starting on the left side, bring this down and in, and bring that up to create a point. Another one coming towards the eye, go all the way around, and then up towards the top. Let's add one coming down towards the eyebrow. Coming down, then that up, and then in. Let's add one coming down the center, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to continue over towards the right ear. Coming down towards the eyebrow, up. Let's add one more. Coming down around the eye, and then up towards the side of the head. Now I want to draw on the ears. On the left side, I'm going to curve the ear going up and then out on both sides. Just going to round up the tip of the ear, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to trace the ears along the outside, top, and pull it down. And then we're going to add a hook on the inside. Now lining up the side of the head, let's go up to the top. We're going to draw the edge of the hat brim, starting on the left, going up above those points, and then bring that down towards the right. And then we're going to brush the hair out towards the side. Let's start on the left, coming down and out. Bring this back in toward the side. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down and out, and then pull that in. Let's go back over towards the left. Add a longer one coming down, in towards the ear. Let's add one more point with this two straight lines coming down and up. Let's go over towards the right. It's going to offset this, going out, in towards the ear. Let's curl this around, up, and then in. Let's move towards the chin and draw on the neck. We're going to start on the left side, come straight down, and then bend that out towards the bottom on both sides. Now on the left side, I'm going to step up, curve the shoulder, coming down and out towards the collar. From the collar, curve this down and then in towards the middle. And it'll come straight down towards the bottom of our page. Now I'm going to go back up to this area and add in the collarbone. Starting from the left side, bend this down and in. Do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to bend this in. On the left side along the top, I'm going to draw a circle for a button. Now let's add some folds across the top of the collar. From this point, step up, angle this up, curve this around, and then down. Let's add another layer. Halfway up along this curve, going out and then down. Now I'm just going to round up the shoulder. Come down with an angled line, and then bend that down toward the bottom of our page. Let's go back underneath the head and draw in some more hair. We're going to add a straight line with a point, bend this down, and then back in. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Coming down and up, and then we'll just add one more point. Now that we have the head and body in place, we want to draw a large oval for the hat going around the head. But we want to add some little bumps along the way. So let's start on the left side. It's going to add this little wavy line. We're just following the shape of an oval. So we're going to start with the top, working our way down towards the left and right. Now let's go back to the left side. I'm going to start to round this out and just pull this in towards the left side of the head. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Again, just adding this little wobbly line, and I'm just going to line that up. Now let's layer that large half circle on the top of the hat. Starting on the left, just going to draw a smooth curve going all the way around, and then bring that back down. Let's move in and draw the band with another curve going up and then down. Now I want to add that texture across the top of the hat and the hat brim. So on the left side, we're going to draw a series of short lines, just bending these down. Just add a couple on the side and just work our way in. Let's go over towards the right side. Start in the middle, coming down, going out toward the side with a few, and then along the inside. Let's add that same texture pattern going around the shape of the hat. So we're going to start on the left side, just these curves coming in towards the head, add a couple on the inside, now along the bottom. Just working our way in. Let's go up to the top right, let's add a few, and then along the bottom edge. Now I switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair and the hair along the side of the neck. And once we finish coloring that in, we'll be sure to sign our artwork and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.